Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to withdraw from Dogecoin, and this is a full guide. Okay, so for those who are new to Dogecoin, please make sure that you come and launch your Dogecoin. First come and launch Telegram, then come to the search bar there. Then when you come to the search bar, search for Dog Airdrop. So when you search for Dog Airdrop, you see the official page of the Dog Airdrop over here, and every member that joins is given an invite link to join Dog Airdrop. So for my case, I'm already registered on Dog Airdrop. Okay, so what I'll do is simple. I'll click on this link over here. Okay, then I'll go ahead and launch up my dog bot. Okay, so now launching up your dog bot, you see it will look like this. Okay, this is the icon for the dog bot. As you can see, I have 838 dogs. Okay, so guys, prior to all that, we need to understand what is the value of the dog coin. So if I come on my calculator over here, you remember it's not yet official and it hasn't yet been confirmed, but it is assumed that each dog coin will cost around $0.2. So if each dog coin costs around $0.2, if I multiply $0.2 times 8 let me see, I have 838. Okay, 838. So this means I'll be getting around 167 dog coins. Okay, so 167 dog coins. I mean, I'll be getting 167 US dollars. Okay, so this means this project is really valuable over here. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I'm already registered. And guys, for those who are having Telegram Premium, you get more coins over here. So you can come and see on the leaderboard over here. So on the leaderboard here, you'll see your ranks. So the first person over here has 15 million dog coins. 15 million dog coins. So if you can calculate how much this person is expecting to get, let me see, 0.2 times 15 million. So this person is expecting to get a lot of money, guys. Okay, it's a lot of money. So you can see this is a leaderboard over here, and if I want, I can come and try to track myself, but I'm not thinking I'm in the first people over here, because the first people have a lot of coins and I might be in the last people over here. So if you also register on your dog coin, you can come on the leaderboard over here and make sure that you track your position. As you can see here, they show the first 100 people, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But according to the statistics over here, it says that this dog coin is having 15 million holders. So this means it's around 15 million people who are holding the dog coin. As you can see, it's even 19 million. Sorry about that. It has increased. It is 19 million over here. So guys, if you want to earn more on dog coin, click on the friend zone there. Then on the friend zone, click on invite friends. Guys, when you click on invite friends over here, you just come and copy your link over here. Okay, after copying my link, I can head over to my WhatsApp over here. So quickly head to my WhatsApp, and on my WhatsApp I can share my link to anyone I want. So for this case, I'll look for the person I want to share to my link. Okay, let me see the person I can share my link to. So this person over here, come and click here, then paste the link, then send. So when this person taps on this link, it will load in their Telegram and they'll be able to join the dog airdrop. And when they join the dog airdrop, you will get more coins increased on your balance. Okay, so now going back to the home page over here, to withdraw your dog airdrop, you can't withdraw it right now because it hasn't yet gone live. Okay, when it goes live, you'll be able to withdraw it. So guys, you have to note that this dog airdrop over here has been launched by Telegram itself. Telegram is giving a reward to its users, and the more years you spend on Telegram is the more dog coins you're potentially getting. So as for my case, as you can see, I have 838 dogs because I've spent, I think, 1 year on Telegram. I'm assuming if I'd spent like around 10 years or 5 years, then I'll be having a lot of dog coins. So for now, you can come and click on connect wallet over there. Then when you click on connect wallet, of course, you have to connect your wallet that you're going to be using to withdraw the dog coin. So for my case, I'll click and I connect the Stone wallet over here. Or if you want, you can click and connect the Telegram wallet itself. So for this case, let me choose Telegram wallet. When I click on Telegram wallet, it will load up like that. Okay, So it has loaded up in my Telegram wallet. So right now I just need to back up my phrase. Okay, then I'll say I back it up on my email. So back up on email. So right now I'll input my email where I can back it up. Then I click on continue. So right now I'll get a code on my email over here to confirm that it's me backing up my phrase on my email. All right, so I'll click here. When I click here, I'll just come on my email or my Gmail. Then I'll switch it to my Gmail account. Then after that, I'll just come and refresh until I see the code from Telegram. Okay, so the code hasn't yet arrived. I think it's taking some time. So for this case, I think we can choose another wallet. Okay, I'll go back over here. I'll go back over here. Then I click on Tone Wallet. For this case, guys, let me choose the Tone Wallet because it's more fast. So click on Tone Wallet or the Tone Keeper. And as you can see, when you click on the Tone Keeper, it will load up or it will launch the Tone Keeper wallet itself. So for this case, we are planning to withdraw using the Tone Keeper wallet. So you have to be patient until the Tone Keeper wallet has finished loading or has finished launching up itself. Okay. So right now the Tone Keeper has finished launching up itself and it's asking me, do you want to connect your Dogecoin account to your Tone Keeper? As you can see, it says connect one time .dog. So this is the official website. So click on connect wallet. Now I'll need to put in my phrase over here or my pin code. And guys, make sure that you put in the right pin code, because if you put in the wrong pin code. Alright guys, so it's done. It says done over here. So I have successfully connected my Tone Keeper wallet onto my dog account. So guys, this means if I want to withdraw money from my dog account, I'll just come and click on withdraw button when it has gone live, and the coins will appear here in my Tone Keeper wallet, because as you can see, it shows connection has been finished. And you can even enable this one over here, so that when you withdraw money or when you withdraw your dog coins over here, you get a notification on your Tone Keeper wallet. Okay, so guys, additionally, it's very vital that you join the dogs official community, because when you join the dogs official community, it will help you get updates on the dog coin. Okay, so take for example, if the coin has gone live and people are going to be able to withdraw, you need to be getting that information from the dogs official community. So to join the dogs official community, what you'll do is simple. Head over to your Telegram right again and click on the search bar there. Then on the search bar, search for dogs community. So when I search for dogs community, this is the community over here. So make sure that you come and join this community over here. As you can see, this community, they give useful information on the dog coin. So another thing, you join this dogs community because you need to get an update on how the project is shaping up. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet.